Spending all of that unnecessary time cutting and peeling your vegetables, maybe even risking a few fingers, but not anymore. Now I use the Magic Trio peeler and my life is so much easier because of it. Let me show you how well these peelers work. You won't need this anymore. Every peeler is made with stainless steel that lasts a lifetime and can literally cut and slice through any fruit or vegetable. I am talking lemons, potatoes, ginger, I mean, even something like a cantaloupe. Now look at how these blades cut in 2 directions. Look how nice and easy this is. With the ergonomic handle, it has never been easier. They are even great for scooping. It even has this convenient little scoop on the side for smaller vegetables. Fast and effortless peeling and scooping. Yes, please. Look how easy this is. It is done in seconds. Look how fine these slices are. You cannot beat it. You know what's even cooler than slicing? Spirals. If you want to change it up, we can include this amazing spiralizer that will add a unique twist to any meal. Now that I've shown you just how amazing each peeler is, I hope you make the right decision and add these babies to your kitchen.